What's going on, guys? Freightliner1 here again, and I've been off for I don't know how long, but I'm back. Animal Jam's working, everything. So anyway, there's a new land after the event, and Polar Bear Day, the day of the 27th. Polar bears, and pet polar bears, cool. For the next 2 weeks only. Blue. Coming soon. That the polar Arctic fox might make their way to Jamal. Awesome. I can't get the emerald box. But do my daily spin, boy. Okay, this video might not be very long because I've only got like 10 or 15 minutes to do this. So, how much money do I have? I have $1,000 and 11 diamonds. I'm gonna buy a falcon, because last time I said I was gonna buy a falcon, and I didn't, because I bought a flamingo. Ooh, who's there? Who? What the? Oh, it's Clydesdale. Do I want to get a Clydesdale or do I want to get a falcon? I want to get a falcon. Emperor Blue Boy. Bye. So we need the classic black look. My classic look. So we need a black with gray. And I need to change my eyes to that, paint them blue, and I think I have the lightning bolt pattern. That's moons, that's the herds, that's the leaves. Lightning bolt, I think it's white. And then I have a rare spike. And a cloak. And a tuxedo, and bone tail armor, and the DJ headset. So, I look dope. Yeah, so, anyway, I forget how long it takes to upload this. I haven't been uploading in so long, because my Animal Jam wasn't working. So, anyway. Wait. I have bought so many dens since I haven't been loading, because at school I could play Animal Jam, so. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to my treehouse. I didn't think I tapped on it, but anyway. This is the treehouse. I don't know if I was in a video when I did this or not, but anyway, this is the treehouse. That door should be a little bit better. I am a big fan of Dodge. Sorry. I probably should have took that down, and now I'm probably going to get copyrighted. Woohoo! Here's my kind of chill room up in here. Now we need to go to my house, and then we'll go to my beach house. So this is my normal house. I need to move that car back there. I don't know why that's there. Okay, we need to park that there. And there we go. I have 3 Nissan GTRs, so I am ballin'. It's good. I like it. And then, to my beach house. Wish you could build garages and stuff in this game. That'd be sick. After this, I'm going to check if Apari's on, Wisteria Moon, and Pepper. And Bruiser. B-E-P-P-E-R. Nope. A-P-A-R-R-I. 1 day ago. Wisteria Moon. today, Snowy Claw, not online, and BRUIZER, and Jelly Jones. Okay, she was on today, and then I don't know if that's his AJ name or not. Yeah, I think that is his AJ name. But anyway, there's not much going on. I haven't been playing AJ in a while since everybody would get to the tech lab before me because I'm like halfway across the school away from the tech lab, and it's kind of a pain. And oh God, I still got my Christmas theme up in here. I need to take down my Christmas tree. Don't know why I have 2 masterpiece tokens. This is kind of like my spare bedroom. This is my bedroom. Down here, this is my, like, inside, like, home theater. Out here, ooh, I've got the perfect stuff put out here. My drum set, I need to move that up higher, about to there. Put my keyboard right there. Put my DJ set right there. Because it's lit up in this, isn't it? Like that. There. Red Panda plushie, bunch of science stuff, K-Bales. I need my guitars. This is gonna be like my music room. So that there. And so that there. And put maybe a small window right there. Yep. And that will be it. And yeah, that'll be it for today. And if you like this video, slap the like button, subscribe, hit that little bell button right next to the subscribe button, leave a comment saying I subscribed and liked, and I will see you in the next video.